Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is June. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if it's your first time here, kindly subscribe and join the family so that you can join the family, be a part of this bomb ass family. Okay, just join, subscribe, and it's free. I don't know, just unless kama uko na negative vibes, then don't subscribe. Today is a holiday. The Muslims are celebrating a holiday. Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends and loved ones and my subscribers who are Muslims. I love you guys so much. So the plan for today is to clean up. Yesterday I had some friends over for dinner, and I'm just looking at the dishes and laughing because it's mad. It's mad. Oh my god, I think the biggest task I have is washing the dishes, but I'm also going to clean up my cabinets. It's been a while since I did that. I'm also going to clean the fridge because I'm going to do a mini restock today, so I need the fridge clean. And also it's been a while since I cleaned my bathroom, so I'm going to like deep clean my bathroom. The living room is not that dirty. I feel like I'll just mop as I'm mopping the whole house. I don't need to like clean the living room and the bedroom. Yes, those two places I don't need to clean, but I'll just clean juju. Today we are focusing on the kitchen and the bathroom. So twende kazi because the dishes insane.
No, we have patience, don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me, for surely you'll be alright. I know.
I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile and how it used to make my heart go wild, wild. You look deep into my eyes, and all I could think was, why did I have to fall for you this time? And I know things have changed, and I know that we're not the same, but I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You're really funny, I can't deny, but I wanna know what goes on inside that wonderful wandering mind. I know I'll go and try to break down every wall, but I'm not like that at all. I know I'll make it hard, but I'll never change that. And I know we'd be great, but please, please get this straight. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You seem fine, but how do I know I want you to be mine? How do I know you're what I'm looking for? Well, sorry, I just have to make sure. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you I pulled this.
I want to clean the fridge. I'm going to clean these ones from the fridge, and these ones, and also this. It's my tea station holder. So I'm going to clean this because it's very dusty. So I'm going to clean that also, and then I'm going to dust the fridge and wipe it down and make sure that it's clean. Hey, I don't even know when I got this bread, and as you can see, there's another bread there, like disorganization galore.
Terrified, you're right about me. Right about me. You're right about me. Everything I do, every time I open my mouth, I start to question myself. Like, am I a narcissist? Maybe this conflict is another way to be right. And I can't even see the signs. I can't even trust myself now. Voice in my head's been too loud, calling me broken, crazy. Maybe you're right about the whole thing. I second guess all my instincts. 'Cause what if I'm broken inside? I'm terrified, you're right about me. 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 I feel like I'm losing my mind. Wish I could go back in time when I still recognize my life. I can't even trust myself now. Voice in my head's been too loud, calling me broken, crazy. 'Cause maybe you're right about the whole thing. I second guess all my instincts. 'Cause what if I'm broken inside? I'm terrified, you're right about me. You're right about me.
My girls on enter the area. With 2 feet shut down the arena. You know one put us for corner. I'm in a danger, making the trash be mental. My boss babe to pass your level. With 2 sweet past sugar level. The party don't start till me and my girl show for the center. Me call man louder. Turn it up.
You must bring the heat, don't wanna know the beats now.
Hurry up.
You must follow my lead now.
We go higher to the sky. We no retire. We don't get tired. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left for you ain't got nothing on me. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left for you ain't got nothing on me. My girl gang, them my girl gang. Yeah, we run down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang. My girl gang, them my girl gang. Yeah, we run down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang.
Yeah.
Something where you there, but I call me something. Carry the go, your love take go. Did you turn up the stereo? One time you see us for the corner, 2 times we fit dance for the center. Every time we walk out, got that lights going right. Turn it up.
You must bring the heat, don't wanna know the beats now.
Hurry up.
You must follow my lead now.
Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left for you ain't got nothing on me. Drop it, get your life, calculate your price. To be left for you ain't got nothing on me. My girl gang, them my girl gang. girl gang, girl gang. Them my girl gang, girl gang. Yeah, we run down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang, girl gang. Yeah. Girl gang, girl gang. Them my girl gang, girl gang. Yeah, we went down them my girl gang. Where your girl gang, girl gang. My girl gang, girl gang. Them my girl gang, girl gang. Yeah, we went down them my girl gang.
So I'm back from the mall and I got a few things for just a few supplies. I got bananas and also I got 2 plantains. I love plantains so much. I got Velvex paper towels. Of course, I got Minute Maid, bread, and peppers, and rice, and milk. And this is how we are doing this. More milk and meat. Yes, meat because I'm planning to make dinner today. So that's everything I got. And oh, a bottle of wine. I got a bottle of wine also. So that's really everything I got, plus carrots. Hi, I'm back from the mall and I did a few restock. Yes, let's call it restock, QC shopping. So I restocked on a few things and now I want to continue cleaning. What I want to do is mop the floor and clean the bathroom. Yeah, and in the meantime nataka uso marinate. I want my face to marinate. Yes, I don't know if I'm going to make dinner, but if I do, then I'm going to make pilau. That's if I do. So the priority ni ku clean bathroom na ku mop floor. Yes, this is what I'm currently using. Yeah, Garnier 3-in-1, but I'll go back to Nivea. Definitely going back to Nivea. Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 with charcoal. Yeah, I like that one. This one inanukia vizuri and everything, but I'm not sure. Do I really like it? Do I really like it? So yeah, that's done. On my way here to the mall, I met one of you guys. Oh my god, hi Emma. Thank you so much for coming to say hi. I really appreciate it. Do you know what? I feel like you guys are my friends at this point, because like wase wangu tu ni like normal human beings, you know, and then when we meet it's like we know each other. To go like hi and we're already friends. Oh my goodness, that was so lovely. I really like it when you guys say hi to me in the streets. Kuna wengine hata walikuwa nani text inbox ati waliniona Vasha. Why did he say hi? Simgo kuja kunisalimia, I was say please say hi to me if you see me. Especially if I'm casually walking or just in a casual setting, please say hi. I wouldn't mind it. So we leave the face to marinate as I clean the floor and wash the bathroom. Yarp. I think we should boil the meat in the meantime because I really like my meat really tender.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. I don't fall to the pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You thought nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Why you tripping? I just want serenity, so you can miss me with the negativity, and you can witness all the possibilities. And it hit different when you feel the energy, and I'm a lot of energy for enemies. I keep the peace, I let the hate be rest in peace. I take it from the streets and bring it to the beach, and it don't gotta end, just put it on repeat. Though you don't trust what you can't see, some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You thought nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Don't fake this, I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure you'll be alright. I know we'll have patience. Don't fake this, I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure you'll be alright. I know.
I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile and how it used to make my heart go wild, wild. You look deep into my eyes, and all I could think was, why did I have to fall for you this time? And I know things have changed, and I know that we're not the same, but I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You're really funny, I can't deny, but I wanna know what goes on inside that wonderful, wandering mind. I know I'll go and try to break down every wall, but I'm not like that at all. I know I'll make it hard, but I'll never change that. And I know we'd be great, but please, please get this straight. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You seem fine, but how?
Back to cooking. Minced garlic, chopped onions. The meat is frying. It's already ready, like I already boiled it. And then this is the soup that I made from the boiled meat. I've made pilau so many times in my channel, and you guys should know my style by now. Yes, so let's finish cooking, and then as the rice simmers, I'll go to shower, and then we'll cut it and call it a day. you know me, I love I love to eat my pilau with salsa. Here are all the ingredients: mango, my favorite ingredient, tomato, cucumber, cilantro, and red onion and green onion, spring and red onion together. Yes, so you know this is going to slap. I really love pilau with salsa because I feel like salsa is fresh, sweet, and just the combination just goes together really well. I love it with guacamole also, but I feel like guacamole doesn't really go with pilau so much. It goes with something like maybe viazi, potatoes, potato wedges, saute, and such, you know. It doesn't go really well with pilau because, you know, pilau has a lot of spices already and you need something to balance it out, and I feel like salsa balances it out perfectly. Yes, so I know this is so much, but I'll eat it tomorrow also. I made a lot of pilau so that I can eat within the next couple of days. Yes, pilau is a really good meal for meal prepping. Deliciousness. I'm going to add salt just to balance it out, and then we have a beautiful salsa ahead of us.
I wanna know what goes on inside that wonderful wandering mind. I know I'll go and try to break down every wall, but I'm not like that at all. I know I'll make it hard, but I'll never change that. And I know we'd be great, but please get this straight. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You seem fine, but how do I know I want you to be mine? How do I know you're what I'm looking for? Well, sorry.
I feel like a brand new person after that shower. Anyway, this is my dinner, pilau and salsa. You've already seen that. It's so good, it's so yummy. So good, guys. So good. And I'm having a glass of wine on the side. I don't like this wine. I don't like it. It tastes very cheap. But it's cheap, so it's okay for it to taste like it's cheap. Anyway, I know hamkuniona nikiosha bathroom because I can explain. I can explain. I don't want mediocrity, so I just told myself, you don't have to kill yourself. You can wash the bathroom over the weekend, right? Umenipea permission. Thank you. But the whole house is clean. I feel so amazing. The incense is burning. I always have to burn incense whenever I wash the house or whenever I clean my space, because I feel like inaleta to your coziness back into the space. It smells amazing and I love it. So what I want to do now is eat and sleep because it's already late. I think by now ni kitu kama 10 at night, you know. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I really enjoy spending time with you. And thank you, Emma, once again for saying hi to me. You really made my day. I love you and I appreciate you for always supporting me and for always coming back to watch more stuff. you're one of the reasons why I keep on doing this. Yes, so leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, I keep on forgetting to tell you guys about the super thanks. Super thanks is the heart with a $sign in the middle of it. Whenever you click on it, it will give you options to send me money. You can send me 100 bob, 1,000 bob, any amount that you want to give or gift to me will be highly appreciated. So use the super thanks button. That's how you appreciate me, and that's how you give me small incentives here and there. So click on that love heart with a $sign on it next to the like and share and the buttons there and subscribe button. Iko hapo, you understand. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I love you guys so much. Cheers.